Can we do a Fast and Furious montage and put like the camera through
that?
So anyway,
and then say danger to manifold and slam them.
Anyway, welcome back to Motor Addicts. This is.
There's no way this is the start.
Yeah, this is the start.
Well, I've got to start recording first.
Oh.
He's
right.
a dick.
So anyway, Owen's seen it, but obviously knows it's crap. This is Matt. Now, Matt.
I am recording, by the way.
You'll probably know Matt from your caddy.
Right.
Does everything like wild, weird, and wonderful. And we thought we would have some help with this one. So Matt's here to help us make this.
Did you say you specialise in Volkswagen stuff?
I'm not a Volkswagen guy, but I've got 3.
It's a soft yes.
What are you then?
I don't know.
Jap?
Car guy?
Car guy, that'll do. But yeah, so he's going to help us with this Micra consistently.
Why are you shouting?
Because I just want to be louder than you for once.
Okay, fair enough.
So yeah, we're just going to crack
Should we
on.
get Matt's opinion on it?
What are
What
your thoughts to it?
Give us some headlines. I mean, we got given it. Would you say that was...
Got given it?
Yeah, it's free.
That's not proper English. Got given it. Yeah, free.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. That's
Because you wouldn't pay for it.
But that's what we got to try and keep it free.
right, free.
That's bits that we put on it. Is stuff that we can find. Look at the illustrious array of shelving.
Stop inspecting it too much.
It's hilarious.
But yeah, so we've got loads of stuff here. We've got random boxes over there. Whatever we can do to make this as free as possible. We are going to cut the springs. Sod it. Why not?
It's only our lives.
Yeah, I mean...
But I still want to get his opinion on it. Sum it up in 3 words if you can.
It's an old lady's car, isn't it?
Well,
I mean, that was 5.
It
yeah.
it was an old lady's car.
Well, that's a sort of, you know...
Can you make it
sort
cool?
of you can make anything cool.
Yeah.
Right, that's what I mean. That's all we need to do.
I've seen a Fiat Multipla.
Yeah, the ugly one.
Yeah, the ugly one. I've seen people do stuff, and I thought that car was... But I've seen someone...
He's still shocked. He can't. He's lost for words for it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, someone's made one of them, and it looks cool.
Oh, look!
That is from my R32.
All right.
It's legit as well.
How about, as Matt said earlier, instead of putting it on the back,
Nissan GTR.
we replace that with that.
Yeah, all day.
Is that the first one? Yeah?
Yeah.
So mod, look, absolutely free.
There you go, that's the
There
name
we
of
go.
the game.
So that will go on there.
How's it come off?
With a screwdriver.
Let's just bang it off.
Well, yeah, bang it off.
Just bang it.
We'll sort that.
Right, Owen, what's your opinion of it?
Oh, what a piece of
Engineering?
absolute ingenuity. Oh, there's a few things I've noticed. There's things like
Is there anything that concerns you?
many. There's a bolt that's sticking out there that's like a block off, but if it works, it ain't stupid. I've looked down here, and the bottom subframe's been stoved in at one point. That's quite interesting. They have put something here to protect the intercooler pipe from rubbing on the radiator, but it's still rubbing on the radiator. And we've got an intercooler. Stu's found a front mount intercooler, so we're going to warp that baby on there.
Yeah, we've got
Do you want to go fetch that? We'll see.
Yeah. Got front mount intercooler.
Is it
That is going to be in there.
So
we're going to cut
no
that
loss
out,
behind,
cut that out, mount that in there, and then it's going to look like a GTIR from the front.
And it'll probably go the same.
It will go the same, it will look the same, it will taste the same. Get it on the deck, massive intercooler, make it look a tart, and put our GTR badge on the front.
Yeah. Wheels and tyres. We need some 4x100 wheels. If anyone's got any deep dish Steelies, they'd be quite cool, wouldn't they?
Steelies would be cool.
Deep, like banded steels, 4x100, that'd be good. Or anything retro, like that you would want to contribute to us, or that you don't want a lot of money for. If you know someone's got them in a garage somewhere, or in a shed that fall into pieces, then that's the sort of stuff. We'll rub them down, paint them, all that sort of stuff.
Do all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
We're going to drive it gently and just get it all done. Yeah,
we've already gone wrong with
It
that
needs a
one.
clutch.
Why does it need a clutch?
Well, that was you and me.
At least he said me.
Mainly.
I wasn't expecting that.
It was 70% me.
Right, should we get some scissors out and fit this intercooler?
Scissors?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
Still mechanic scissors.
That's not even got a head on it.
Sarah Connor.
Wait, before
I've got a better one than this.
Before Sarah comes out, we've got to make this look neat.
Have we?
So we've got to measure the distance of where that will poke out.
Measure?
Not
When have we ever measured
We'll
anything?
line up We don't
eyeball
measure.
it. Just
Maybe
eyeball
get a pen and go there and there, cut there.
Well, if this is going to take
Put the bonnet
maths-
down. Look. There's only a mark on the bonnet for the centre point because the rust's there.
Yeah, but you know, he's rough.
Asbestos hands.
He's rough. He's built shit. See, with us, you and me have soft hands because we we talk to people. Right.
Oh, there she goes.
So
he's already proved his
Now-
worth.
now that's not our oil, is it?
That's off the motto.
It's not oil.
It's worrisome.
That,
isn't it?
someone's
that
oil.
needs to go there.
Right.
Too
So,
fast, too furious.
We still need the whole number plates around out though.
Do you?
Well,
Get on
yeah.
it. I don't know. Yeah.
It's just like West Coast Customs, isn't it, around
Yeah.
here? Exhibit over here.
We got exhibit.
He is an
More like
exhibit.
example.
Example. Is that not coming through?
This is what's called a council job. There's one bloke working and three blokes
blokes
watching him work.
Hey, here she goes.
There you go.
That is already faster,
Neat as a whistle.
isn't it?
This is a class A
Isn't
job.
it?
You guys don't normally do this.
Stu definitely doesn't. Never seen one used like that before.
Identifies as RB 25. Identifies as an RB.
Let's give it an extra, what, 30 horsepower?
At least.
At least.
Yeah, it's faster. Makes it faster.
Yes, mate! Yes, mate! Has he gone for a little walk around?
Walk it off, just
Walk it off, mate! Yes! Sounds like Stu emptying his trousers. That pipe's... I'm not saying this floor's not set up.
What in Lord's hell happened there? Okay.
Shit in the way.
I was so
Well,
glad
that's
that
it
was
though. Look at this, look, this is epic. But that bit of metal's in the way. Fuck it, let's just...
annihilate it. But it worked.
Well, it does.
Served a purpose.
Yep. See, look, we've got nothing to connect this intercooler to.
This.
Yeah, this, yeah.
Yeah, just that, yeah.
Be alright?
No.
Okay, I've got an idea. It's okay. I've got an idea.
So if that's going in there, like that. This is a whole lot of fucking getting there, isn't it?
There you go.
Knob.
Dick. Did you hurt yourself?
Oh, everyone's hurting themselves.
So we need it, that's all right. That's it.
Spot
We-
is coming away.
We need it. Yeah, that's the bit that Matt missed when he cut. Like that. That's what we That's how it needs to go.
Sure.
Bang, it's in.
That's it. Fitted.
I found a bit of right angle which we could go against
Right
here,
angle
bolt
with
it
an
onto
angle.
that, if it will go that far back. which way,
Perpendicular.
and then holes down.
What you done?
Proper hurt myself, and all.
Who hasn't hurt themselves yet? Matt, have you hurt yourself yet? It's time, mate.
Only my eyes.
It's not being funny,
Right, well,
we do that a lot.
car is funny to be fair. So.
right? But where it's actually situated, you could just drill it into the bump.
Oh god, you can't mount it to plastic.
You can. You can put a hole there, and a hole at the bottom through this bit because it's so wedged in, and then bolt.
Where's it gonna go?
Bolt it.
I mean, it ain't going to go anywhere. to be
Exactly.
fair.
It's not going to go anywhere until you have an accident, and then you're fucked.
That's going to be part of the structural part. Of the
Integrity of the bumper again.
Yeah.
Actually, it might add to its
Stop it from flopping around.
rigidity.
Look.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll go and put this piece of engineering back then.
Because we need it as far forwards as we can, so it looks cool.
That's bad.
Like that.
That's disgusting.
This doesn't sit well with Matt. I can tell.
You brought him down here on a Wednesday night to be project leader, and you've gone rogue
I'm not
within
project
minutes.
leader at all. Don't
You are.
No, I'm not.
You
fucking
have
not.
your vote because if I say something, he'll go, "Oh fuck off." But if you say something,
If you
trying
get
to
a
win you
stencil,
over.
we could just stencil that in, couldn't we?
But Matt, look, here.
Yeah.
Look, you got to see his vision now.
Oh gosh, we've had enough vision for
See
today.
where the mountains are? Bolt.
It's nothing.
The silence is deafening.
It's plastic. You can't bolt into plastic. Can you, Owen?
I mean,
He's trying to win someone else over now.
No.
I mean, the pipes alone will hold it because it's not very big.
Right.
And to be honest,
Okay, we're bolting into plastic then. This is a new one.
If you look at the rest of the car,
Okay. All right, I'm game.
Matt,
No.
welcome to Motor Addicts.
Okay.
Look at this spider monkey going at it.
Does it have to be central?
Well, you want it somewhere in the middle, didn't you? Shit. Yep. It's in.
Yes, mate.
just the intercooler looks horrendous out of everything.
What's wrong? What, you're upset with this?
I really wanted it right up the front of the bumper.
All like, you know, you're going to spend like a
What, you
week
wanted
in a
it
day.
sat almost flush here?
Yeah.
But where's the pipe work going to go and
Well,
stuff?
that's going to take
that's
a week
Yeah.
All right, let's just get it.
for that sort of stuff.
We'll have to mesh this up or something. I just feel that to make it, if we're going to go totally outlandish with it, right, that has to be there.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. I do see where you're coming from. I get it.
Something
You
like
mean you
that.
wouldn't normally mount it to a piece of plastic?
Yeah. And then I'll say no, and then spend 3 to 4 weeks looking at it and no, and then I'm thinking, okay.
We've got to compress that down to about 2 hours.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah, that's why we're here.
Sometimes I wake up and I'll say, I need to change that because I'm not happy with it. So I spent a week making something and
When you wake up tonight at 2 a.m. and you think of this,
Yeah.
no.
you're
That'd be a
gonna message
nightmare.
us all and be like, "What have we done?" Like Frankenstein's monster.
Yeah. No.
Well, let's push on regardless. That's the way, isn't it?
Yes.
And we need this to drive out of it tonight. What's the point? So.
Matt's a bit like guns don't kill people, Chuck Norris kills people.
Yeah.
He don't cry, he makes people cry.
Exactly,
That's
yeah.
the way
Did
you
you
work.
hear when
He was bitten
Chuck
by a
Norris
snake.
actually went into a lion enclosure and the bloke was like, don't move. And the lion backed out and it was okay, you know.
Chuck Norris to it.
I heard that Chuck Norris, when he jumps in the water, he doesn't get wet. The water gets Chuck Norris.
Is it even straight in the mouth of it?
Like straight in the mouth.
Isn't it though?
That's a phrase.
Like that.
There you
People
go.
watching, and I'm sure
We
you
ain't
can nut
miles
down.
off, are we?
Let's have a look. There you go. We've gone too far to the right now.
I think for 30 seconds work, it's not too bad.
Even in the edit, this is 10 minutes. That's it. Yeah. Slam her in. Send it.
Full send.
What's your opinion on all this? Does it upset you how we're doing it, or are you quite game?
No, I like it for what it is. I like that we can just attack it, have a little chop
You
about.
wait till you drive it.
See what I can wait. I've got plenty of time. I've got all sorts of other things I could be doing.
Do you know what the worst thing is? That will be driving out of here before that will be.
Isn't that?
Isn't that depressing? Consider liking.
Do you want to see more of this sort of stuff? I mean, this is all relatable stuff. You can just do all this sort of stuff with literally no money or very, very little and just have a hack about. Do some Googling. People build stuff for next to nothing and it performs really well and they enjoy it. Calvin's car diaries the other day, not Calvin Harris. He said the other day on his Instagram, he said, if you love it, it's a show car. And I think that's really like, whether or not this is something for us to mess about with, but like with the TT, the more time we spent on it, the more we were like, do you know what, we're really enjoying
The more
this.
it didn't die.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And I think this is going to be one of those. All my stuff is like bits from here and there, and yeah, it's got a certain place, I think. Well, we'll see. I haven't driven it yet, but we'll see.
Yeah. I also want to see us get some dyno at Leon's and see what it's actually
It
producing.
might need a clutch before then.
I don't know. Once it
the-
cools down.
Well, I haven't driven it, but you were both saying how the clutch was slipping and stuff.
Well, it wasn't slipping,
until
and then it was.
stew.
Alright, final job of the night is it is proper low.
Crispy. If you want that, you can have it.
There you go.
In the, there you are.
Cable tie.
You've got to admit, that looks much better than...
Until yeah, it's definitely a 50-yard car.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're going to have to be...
Yeah. For it to look like even bearable, that's the closest you want to be.
But then you zoom in and you're like...
Don't do it.
Right there.
Right, let's get it down, get it out, shut up.
Alright, do you want to wrap it up, Nick?
Sure. If you've enjoyed this video,
Doubt it.
I don't know why. Well, I don't know. It's been a bit fun. Project Pauley is underway. We have a new intercooler for no reason at all, other than the fact it looks quite good. Matt has helped us.
It doesn't even look good, but it's the idea.
Matt has helped us. Introduction to Matt. This is terrible, but otherwise it's been fantastic. If you've enjoyed this build, please do continue to subscribe, comment, like.
Put all your comments in below
Yeah.
if there's anything else. Like, as you've probably witnessed today, this is the sort of crap we're doing to it.
If you have a part lying around your vicinity that
Yeah.
you think, actually, I want to donate that.
We'll pay for the postage. If
Yeah.
you just got something that might fit it, it might even not, we'll have a crack at fitting it. Shit old spoilers, arches,
Oh yeah, I'd like to see that. Canards.
like, you know, a flag, like anything. Yeah, skull and crossbones, something like that, anything. Then
He's thinking, what have I got myself in for?
yeah.
No. And on that note, thanks so much for watching.
Yeah.
Is it their lot? It's your lot.
This is your lot.
Whatever. Right. See you later.
Yeah, none of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold, digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold, digital dash on gold, cash, digital.